SPI Pharma, a fully owned subsidiary of Associated British Foods Company and a worldwide leader in custom formulation solutions for pharmaceutical manufacturers, has a full-fledged drug development and testing center in Bangalore, India. SPI Pharma's drug development capabilities include formulation development and optimization, product prototypes, analytical method development and validation, multiple packaging options, ICH stability studies, tech transfer and support. Full dossiers in CTD format can also be developed per customer request. The research philosophy quintessentially encompasses all of the quality by design elements of pharmaceutical product development. One of the key activities of the development center is supporting our customers' development of patient-friendly dosage forms through our orally disintegrating technology and preliminary taste masking. The lab is equipped with state-of-the-art formulation equipment and has capabilities to work on specialty solid oral dosage forms, orally disintegrating tablets, mini ODTs, lozenges, chewables, orally disintegrating powders, and soft gelatin capsules. Formulation processing capabilities include developing direct compression processes employing mainly SPI proprietary or patented excipient systems. In addition, capabilities for standard granulation techniques are also available. Availability of different size blender bins brings in flexibility to fabricate low trial batch sizes of 300 grams as well as moderate batch sizes of up to 12 kilos. Instrumented tablet presses significantly map the tableting process, thereby providing insight into the performance of the product. Testing equipment such as an automatic disintegration tester, pharmaceutical texture analyzer, and others are employed routinely for carrying out product in-process testing. The lab also has pilot-scale soft gelatin encapsulation equipment which enables research and development in this growing dosage form technology. The availability of a blister packaging machine extends capabilities to pack products in several different blister packaging architectures and materials. Standard HDPE bottle packaging options are possible as well. The development center is also carrying out innovative exploratory research in solubility enhancement and permeability enhancement. This research is enhanced by the availability of a lab-scale spray drying capability. On the analytical front, the lab is equipped with liquid chromatographic systems and equipments to carry out in-process, finished product and stability testing of trial batches. All of the chromatographic systems are networked to a central server, which is US 21 CFR compliant. Analytical lab is also equipped to carry out dissolution studies that have automatic fraction collectors, which can be programmed to collect a specific aliquot of the sample at a specified time interval. ICH Zones 1, 2, 3 and 4A stability evaluations can be performed at the lab. The SPI Pharma Research Center also has a dedicated staff of quality and regulatory experts to assist our customers in getting their product to market quickly. Through customer collaboration and a broad range of formulation solutions, processing capabilities, and customized development services, SPI Pharma has become a valued partner to many global pharmaceutical customers.